Organization, we just started this year. We're a branch from Charleston, South Carolina, which it started 4 years ago. And our hope and purpose is to work with low-income Title I schools in order to bring hope to them, inspire them, and just bridge the gap between the community and the kids in this school. Today we're doing a Dr. Classroom event, and we'll be providing each kid in the school with a Christmas gift, dessert, and have our volunteers be able to spend time with them and play with them, because so many of these kids they don't know Christmas like we know it, and so we want to just brighten up their day in any way that we know how.